Hi everyone, I am Arjen and this is Govind Istanbul studio. I will share here with you my studies, events. This time I will keep short the movie. In New Year we will be together again with new projects. Thanks everyone who attended our dance night. Dance was great. Everyone was great. It was a great season final. We had another great dance course and dance concert season together. I am very happy to know you and study Kurdish dance with you. And studying online has been a good experience for me as well. I also learned a lot from you. Thank you very much. I wish to everyone many years of peace and prosperity. This year is the 20th anniversary of my starting to dance professionally. It has been 20 years now. We have produced and staged many dance music productions in 20 years. We have trained hundreds of dancers